Nah, your dinner burger, Zoe. Yay!
Burger ah.
Yeah, yummy.
Do you know they say burger is made by culture meat?
So what? This yummy.
Wait. Hui, they say culture meat is made by animals' blood. Ew.
Good day, doctor and my fellow friends. My name is Joey Wong with my matrix number 212668.
Good day, everyone. My name is La Hui Hui. Matrix number is 211223.
Before we start, I have some question for you. Have you ever tried culture meat? Is it really made by animals' blood? Sounds a little bit disgusting, right?
Yes,
To be correct, it's actually not, but it's always misunderstood by humans and is not familiar in our life or daily meal. Culture meat, sometimes called lab-grown, clean, or cultivated meat, is grown in a lab from a few animal cells and is real meat, but it doesn't require animals to be slaughtered the way traditional meat does. Yes, we need the blood from the animals, but we only take the stem cell. This is a picture, as you can see how the culture meat is made. Scientists take the stem cell, they buff the cell in a liquid containing nutrient to help them duplicate and put them into a bioreactor, a lab device for growing organisms, and finally, the burger meat is formed. So today, I would like to share with you the pro of culture meat. The pros is the kinder to animals. While culture meat requires a small sample of tissue, it does not require an animal to be killed. The cell can be taken from a living animals. Some of the nutrient buff used to grow the cell contain blood from the slaughtered animals, but others are vegetarians. According to the World Animal Protection, 70 billion animals are farmed annually around the world, and approximately 50 billion of them are factory farmed. These animals are treated more like a cook in a machine than living, breathing, feeling animals. They endure short, miserable lives and are often crammed together in cage when they are unable to engage in natural behavior. Many animals are even selectively bred to be fast-growing, and the animals end up with some health issues like lameness, weakened or broken bones, infections, and organ failure. Clean meat has the potential to end the suffering of billions of farm animals every year. In the future, lab-grown meat could become an accessible and cheap protein source that could be used to address food security issues and food shortage that has been recently exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic, where access to meat is often noted as a specific cause of food inequality. That's all from me.
thank you, Joey. Now I will present about the cause of culture meat, which is it will affect the human health. For more specific, unforeseen biological mechanism can occur because the cell culture procedure cannot be said in conducted perfectly. For instance, during the production of culture meat, it will have high level of cell multiplication. So, some abnormal regulation is likely as happens in cancer cells. Although we can imagine that abnormal cell lines can be eliminated for production or consumption, but this may have unknown potential effects on the muscle structure and possibly on human health when culture meat is consumed. Besides, livestock and farm animals can produce hormones naturally to support their growth. Hence, the culture meat also need these hormones sufficiently to sustain the cell growth. So, how they sustain? The scientists use hormone growth promoters, which is produced on an industry scale due to culture meat. Therefore, there may some short and long-term effects on human health and even may cause cancer to the consumer. In conclusion, the pros of culture meat that Joey said just now is kinder to animal, which means does not require an animal to be killed. And cons is affecting the human health, which is unforeseen biological mechanism can occur. Although culture meat is a better alternative when seen theoretically, but it might not be as simple as it sounds to end animal cruelty. This is still challenging even though scientists have all technologies for development. Culture meat. Besides, from a vegan perspective, this is still far from good as we need to use the animal product to produce culture meat. Hence, they have some suggestions such as plant-based meat, which is produced from plants, healthier than culture meat, and massive emissions of carbon dioxide can be saved. Last but not least, as the world population increases, the appetite for meat is set to grow. Therefore, our future food system must ensure affordable, healthy food for humans while preserving natural resources and diversity. So, actually, culture meat would be a sustainable solution in this context. Thus, large-scale research, critical trials need to be done to improve the culture meat by decreasing the human health effect and be more acceptance by public. That's all for us. Thank you.